Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese from paneer. We'll go through the entire process, transforming simple paneer into a delightful, firm cheese. You'll learn about the few essential ingredients and basic kitchen tools required. This guide will help you create a homemade cheese that's both satisfying and impressive. Get ready to explore a fun and rewarding culinary adventure right in your own kitchen. To start, take about 250 grams of fresh paneer and crumble it thoroughly into a bowl. This creates a consistent base for your cheese. Next, sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, which will season the cheese and help with preservation. Now, gently knead the mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and pliable, almost like a dough. Now, line a colander or a cheese mold with a clean cheesecloth, ensuring there's enough overhang. Carefully transfer your kneaded paneer mixture into the center of the cloth. Gather the edges of the cloth and twist them to form a compact ball. Place a heavy weight, like a can or a small pot, on top for at least 4 to 6 hours to press out the remaining whey. Once pressed, carefully unwrap your newly formed cheese from the cloth. You can gently reshape it if needed to achieve your desired form. Place the cheese on a plate and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling period allows the cheese to firm up properly. Your delicious homemade paneer cheese is now ready to be sliced and enjoyed in salads, sandwiches, or as a tasty snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.